everyone, welcome to our video. For our video today, we will talk about our project that we call VC2. And for our project is about leave management system. But sorry, I forgot to introduce us. For yes, and you see that we have PNC logo, and we are a second year student at Pasaran Numeric Cambodia. And as I said, that our project is about leave management system, and the need to know more about the purpose of our project, I will give the chance to Mesa to talk about the purpose of our project.
Hello everyone, my name is Mesana, and now I will to tell all of you about the purpose of our project, that it is a visual company tool. So for this project, our team will build a leave management system, that it is a system or software application that it can track all the leave requests of the student, and also the system it can track leave balance of the student. And one more thing, the student they can request leave, and teacher they also can approve or reject the mistake of student. So now let's move to the next point that we talk about the problem that our system can solve.
With our system, students and staff can do request online also, and teacher or manager they can approve or reject quickly. And one more thing, everyone can say the result right away. All records are saved in one place, and one more thing, the notification when it alert, we can say it early also. In simply, our system can leave request fast, easy, and more organized than before.
Hello everyone, my name is Natina, and I am a second year student at Pasaran Numeric Cambodia. So about this project, my role is about developer, and now I'm going to share all of you about my project demo. And so now let's go to with me together about how to use this system.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my demo. So now I would like to share all of you about the purpose of this project. So the purpose of this project, we will use it to leave request for student, only for PNC student. So now let's go to see all of our system. So we need to log in for make sure it's secure for our system. So this is email for student. So now we log in success. So this is the dashboard of the student, and so you can see all this is pending, approve, reject, or total. So this is all total or all of the requests for student. So this is all the history for student that you can see all, and you can select for all pending that you can cancel all the requests for pending. And this is the approve. This is the approve that the history approved by teacher, by educator. And this is reject history for student that they have reject from teacher. So this is for the leave request. So this is you can select for all type leave. So example, I want to leave for 6, and I start that from first and to second. So this is the total of day that you can see total of day for your leave request, and then for reason. So you can example for. So this is a reason for leave for 6. So this is a contact during for leave, and this is for support document. So you can submit the request. So wait for a minute. So this is the success of our leave request. So this is the the leave request will show you in the Telegram bot. So this is the bot of leave request that support the document, leave request ID, message, not this is the name of student, and duration 1 or 2 September, and the sick leave and sick reason, and this is the contact info. So now let's see about all history. So this is all history that the pending a moment that I leave the request. So the type of leave is reason leave, and so about the submit on, and this is the type of leave and status pending. So if you want to view details, this is a view detail. So this is all. If you want to cancel, you can also cancel. And this is all the history that you have rejected or you approve. So this is the all status that's select for you, approval and pending. So all pending like this, you can cancel for leave. So this is all the type of leave. So you can select all type. So it is show all of you about type of leave, sick leave, and you can research for a keyword for sick. So this was switch on. So this is for so you can search for keyword 1 for status for email. So this is for show all of emergency. So if you want to search more study, so this was study view. So this is all of the role for the student that student can edit their profile. So this is the profile info that they can edit. So if example you want to edit the information, Mesa. So I want to add more, and ID cannot update because it is the default ID for student, and this is the contact info. For example, in emergency contact. So this is the default role for the student that log in from the email, and this is the profile. You can select one. So you can sell. So this is a success sale all the profile. So you can sign out. So I forgot to tell you about the calendar. So this is the calendar of student info. That this is show all of you about the calendar that you have leave, and this is the calendar that you have leave that rejected by teacher, and this is calendar approved from teacher. And this is all pending. Then calendar from pending that we have leave for request. And this is for the leave request that you want to leave on the day. So example, if you want to select on the 6th Saturday, so you select on the 6th, and this is show you about the September 6th and 2025. So this is easy for you to manage the leave request easily. So now I would like to say all of you about this is one more about the notification. So this notification is allow you to know about all the leave requests or reject or approval from teacher. So now I would like to say all of you about the role of the teacher. So we need to log out and select one of the email from teacher. So this is a role of teacher. So now success of the role teacher, that you can see all the pending, all the approval, all the total. So this is the dashboard of teacher that allow you to know about how many pending for student requests per day. Or this is the history for all the students that leave the request, and you can view all details. Select on the view. This is a detail of the information for student request, and this is the name for student leave request and the status that you have approved or reject. And you can select for name. So, and this is the history, the history that you have approved or reject. And for all this, for approval, that teacher approve. And this is the reject. So this is all leave tab for leave from student. This is leave request that reject by teacher. So example, if you want to reject or approve for the reason that you want to approve. So example, for the teacher, you can approve. So waiting for a minute that our system is quite slow. So it is success of the approve. So or you can reject. So you can reject with the comment. So this is too much answer. So you can confirm the reject. So so especially it show all of you all of the information from teacher that approve or reject by email that you can see on the email. So this is for a leave request reject by teacher. So this is send the email to the student Mesa that Mesa have request. So you can view. So this is for leave reject, and one more about the this is request approve. So this is request approve for the success for approve for student. So this is a history that I told you a moment. Then this is create student for each generation, and default for each generation and specific for generation that you can manage all account for student that can use in the system. So example, if you want to create a student, so you can create the name and the email and about the generation. So you can select the generation and password. Note for the password, only strong password must be 8 characters. So this is incorrect replacement. So this is the success of creating a student. And if you want to create all generation, so if you want to create all the generation, you can create a generation in one generation. Example, you can import for all. So this is example. I want to import generation 2026. So this is success of import generation 2026. So you can see all this is account for all the students. So for the student or for the teacher can also edit their profile. It is the same the role of the student. So just create, just edit. So it is just edit. It is simple the same student that I told you before. So so that's all for my demo. So thank you very much for watching.
Now let's move me again. That I will to show all of you about our system that we do specific for mobile phone for Android. So before we have it, we need to install Xpogo, that it is a tool to connect with our codes, to connect with React Native code. So now let's start. So we can see the word scan by QR code. So we can scan on it, but I already scanned it, so I no need to scan it again. I just click on the management system to log in. So let's wait a bit, it will connect to our system. So now we can see the login form that it has email and password that you must to complete it to log in. But I already have it and save it. So I just click on my email and password. So now we will log in successfully. So this is the dashboard that show about the total of students that they used to request leave and about total of students that teacher they approve or reject. And now we will create new leave request together. So this is the form leave request. So for the first one, we need to select the type of leave request. So I choose study leave. And also we need to complete start date and end date. For the start date, I choose today. The end date is tomorrow. And also we must to complete the reason why we want to request leave. So I go to hometown. And one more thing, we need to input the contact information. So it's just optional that we can complete it or not, it depends on you. And one more thing, upload the document. So we can upload the document that support your leave request and then submit it. Submit leave request successfully. So you can see the dashboard. Before you request leave, it have pending total 41, but now it have 42. And yes, that's all for our system to request leave. Thank you for your watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Elatom. Today I will tell you all about two important of our challenges that we face in our journeys during we work on project that we call VC2. That the first one is related about challenges staying focused on tasks, and one more is finding career by ourselves. For the first challenges is related to we focus on tasks. As we know, when we work together in one project, we need to discuss or we need to have a team to divide the task also. But in our member is we have some member that they have the work early, so that's why to make each member is they have the confusing in the work, and because they need to find the work by themselves. And for our solution is we set the role and to make it clearly, and set timeline also what time that we need to discuss together and how to solve. For the second challenge is related with we find a career by ourselves. This part is very important during we work in the projects. We need to focus on the task, but in here we need to find a career also, and that's why to make us sometimes it's unsure how to work and how to start, and this is so very difficult for our team. And for the solution is we need to try the build network and try to research in social media as much as we can.
Hello everyone, my name is Darin Hoi. Today I will talk about the difference between before and after we do this project. Before we do this project, the first, I don't know about the goal of the project that we do, and some programming language we use for the project like Vue and Laravel. For the Laravel, we don't know about the management role for the teacher and the student to the function on the teacher and the student. And one more, it is some tool like the Expo. Expo it is tool for the connect the on the mobile phone. Like we use the Expo for the transfer the web to the mobile for the user to easy use on the mobile phone. And the last is the React Native. React Native is a programming language that new for our team. Our team, we have learned a little bit for the React Native because we knew for our team for use it for the mobile phone. And we move to the Srevang for tell you about the after this project.
Hello everyone, today we are so excited to share what we have learned and achieved in our project that we call VC2. In our project we have learned a lot, like such as Vue.js, improve our Vue.js skill and also PHP skill. And one of the most challenge for us is manage role, because our system we have two roles for user. We have a teacher and one more is student. And user and teacher and student, they have a different feature and also different interface. So now we can make it work together, and also user can use it more organized and efficient. And one more thing, as I said, if we have learned PHP and Vue.js, like right now we know how to build dynamic website and the internet UI that make our website more interesting. And one more thing, we have learned to integration API between backend and frontend. And the last one is React Native. In this project we have learned React Native and we know Expo in React Native, and it also helps us to improve our mobile app development. And yes, as I said, all in this project we have learned a lot. And last but not least, in this project we apply Laravel on the back end. Sorry that I said PHP before. And also Vue.js for front end in real world environment. This project not also give us a hard skill, it also give us soft skill like teamwork and also how to build communication in team more. And the last, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you all enjoy our video.